This is a toilet. Got to make sure joists don't hit the toilet. So my first joist is going to start there, leaving me 2 1/4 from center of toilet. The other side is just as close the other way. That's why this is as close here. So the joist is there, level down, mark it there, hook my tape. When you set a nail and you're pulling on your tape, you have that give. You need to make sure that you are hooking and pulling, and start my layout. This is only a 25-foot tape. I've already marked it down to 24 foot. So I need to start layout again right here and continue. Same thing. Make sure when your tape hooks that nail that it's like hooking on the far side of that pencil. So that's kind of lined up perfect. I want it a little bit longer so it looks like it's hooking. And then I just continue. If you notice, my studs hit directly below. That's in case you have to go through the floor with something, power or plumbing. It's not going to interfere with the stud below. It's just a clear shot. A good framer will always consider plumbers, electricians, and heating guys, and everything that goes into the house afterward. Not the stud, my layout.
Oh, yeah. You gotta... $19 3/4.
19?
19 3/4.
Okay, I need your level. We're figuring the joists are 2 1/2. Puts me there. Notice stud directly under. Let's go to the north side, or to the south side layout of the layout. Put a good stretch on it. Oop.
I got it. Oh, yeah.
You there? South side? Okay. Perfect. Okay. There's your other or next joist. So notice again, bearing stud directly under.
All right, roll this up.
Check your tape. Wrong way. I want it to appear as though it's hooking that line instead of being in line with it. Every bit of precision keeps everything correct. If you let a little bit go here or a little bit go there, when you get to the top, things don't line up as nicely as they should. We're gonna have to string this one too. And then I can get my first layout. I just have no way of transferring it unless we pull a string.
Oh, to this right here? Okay.
Right there.
Yep.
That's why I cut that wall off. Okay. That's good.
Does that hit? No, our joist won't hit those if we already checked
Okay,
them
you
with
can
our
lay out
studs.
that center one all the way across.
Okay.
I would just use my,
100 foot?
no, I just use my tape so
Okay,
it's
yep.
the same consistency.
Oh, sounds good.
Notice again, directly over stud. Just part of good planning. As pure as it hooks. I'm just squaring the south side.
Okay.
Just keep everything the same.
Okay, so squaring off this last joist bearing wall that's in the center is where we're going to end this episode. If you want to see the full video of us marking the studs and then the joists that we just did and adding a few little things here and there, check out the full video of what I have linked right here. Also, don't forget to do the hypotenuse on your joists. You'll be able to find that within the playlist that all these are in. All the episodes are in order. But now that we have our wall fully marked out, we are ready to set in our I-joists. I love doing I-joists. I think they look awesome when they're finished. You can check that video out as well with our No Step Building House series.